How to buy cryptocurrency on Binance P2P. Before trading cryptocurrencies, you need to buy cryptocurrencies first. On the Binance peer-to-peer trading platform, you can buy cryptocurrencies using multiple fiat currencies in various payment methods. It's super simple. Before we start, please make sure you've completed SMS authentication and identity verification. Log into your Binance account on Binance.com. Let's take buying USDT with RUB, for example. Click the Buy Crypto tab and select P2P Trading to enter the P2P Trading interface. You can also access the P2P Trading from the P2P under the Trade tab. Choose USDT on the Buy tab. Now, you can see the trade advertisements offered by users or merchants. You can filter the ads by entering the amount, fiat currency, and payment methods. Suppose you want to buy USDT equivalent 1,000 RUB, then enter 1,000 in the amount column and select All Payments and click the search icon. You will see the corresponding ads. Click Buy USDT, enter 1,000 RUB and click Buy USDT. Then you will see the order details and the seller's payment information. Select a payment method. Copy the payee information to make payment as instructed. The RUB transaction is made out of the Binance platform between you and the seller. From when you make an order, Binance keeps the advertiser's crypto locked away until the order is completed, so you can transfer funds worry-free. Please double-check the payee information and complete the transaction within the time limit. Once the payment is made, click on Transferred Next and then Confirm, and the status will be updated to be released. The seller will release the crypto after confirming the payment is received. The transaction will be completed. You will find the cryptocurrencies in your P2P wallet. Note: please transfer to the account by using your own payment method and complete the payment within the specified time. And be sure to click Transferred Next. Do not click Cancel Order until you receive a refund from the seller. If you haven't completed the payment, please do not click Transferred Next. This is not allowed according to the transaction rules. You can contact the seller using the chat window on the right side of the page while waiting for the seller to release digital assets. If you do not receive the digital assets within the specified time, you can click Appeal and customer service will help you process the order. You can click Transfer to transfer the fund to Spot Wallet and start trading crypto to crypto.